Hello, I'm in a 2003 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood right up here. So from the driver's side, you'll go down and you should see a lever like this that you should feel a little resistance, but you'll pull that and it unhooked it, open the hood, so you can see behind here what's going on. You'll see this here. If something's loose and it's not tight at all, you want to go through, see if something's loose with these cables, maybe something's not attached right. But usually, yeah, one or two pulls should get it for you. So now we'll go up to the front. And then most levers are kind of right in the middle. So right here, we'll push. So this one we push this way and pull up. So that's what was hooked on to this. So we just push this to open it up. If this is all not working, getting caught up somehow, some way, maybe this, or up here is not quite center, so you might need to adjust that. This might be some WD-40 to loosen up something, make sure there's no debris. Worst case, these parts are pretty cheap to replace if needed. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.